So now that we've talked through parts A and B of Lab 1, part C is now a flame test where your students get to observe some really cool colors made from these different solutions for the flame test. So you're also going to be preparing these solutions, again 0.5 molar of calcium chloride, copper 2 chloride, potassium chloride, lithium chloride. As I talked about for barium nitrate and silver nitrate, sometimes you'll make a solution from a solid compound, and sometimes you'll make a dilution from a stock solution. So follow that same math to make these different solutions for the flame test. Again, some will come as solids, some will come as solutions. So as you're making these, one thing to keep in mind is this 0.5 molar is just a ballpark because this is a qualitative flame test. All we need to do is have enough of the compound on the wood splint or the wire to see the color. So if you don't have volumetric flasks or graduated cylinders for this part, that is okay. You can do more of a qualitative approach to these approximate concentrations to just get these solutions made and see the color. So another part of this is to definitely ensure you see that nice color is to soak that wood splint in the solution, and then make sure then, because it's so saturated, your students will be able to see the flame test color. You can also use nichrome wire if you have that as an alternative to these wood splints. And another point to this is as your students or yourself are burning and showing the flame test, you only need to see the flame test and the color just briefly. You don't want to hold the splint or the wire in the flame for so long that you start to burn the splint itself or you start to burn the wire itself. So just long enough to see that nice pretty color. Then once you're done, make sure your students have a beaker of water. So once they see that color, they can drop it in that beaker right away. The flame is taken care of. They've enjoyed seeing these really pretty colors that come from these different compounds when they're exposed to a flame.